Welcome to the Scratch website. A couple of reasons Scratch is our chosen platform for this module is because Scratch is very visual. You'll see that as we launch into some of our projects here. And it is social. You'll notice here if I were to search things up, like let's just say math here, different projects are able to come up with different usernames here. Or you can pull open any of these projects and you can like them, love them, favorite it. You can remix these, which just is kind of like making a copy of a project in Google Sheets or Google Slides. So all of this allows you to be very social, and it allows you to look into different code and create different projects. Now, where we're going to go today is we're going to come to the Create button. We're going to talk about the basic platform of Scratch. So you'll notice here on the left-hand side, this is our main screen where we will notice any of our movement or whatever we code will happen here. In the middle of our screen, you will see all of our different coding blocks. Now this is something that's very, really pleases people about Scratch, is these blocks are very visual and they're colorful, and they actually drag and drop over here to the right of the screen. So for example, if I attach these two and I hit the green flag, my cat on the left here will move 10 steps. A couple other things. Down here in the left-hand corner, we've got backdrops. This is something that is very popular about Scratch, as it's very visual. So this first button allows you to choose a backdrop that's programmed into Scratch. You can choose any of these categories to narrow things down. We'll choose this one here. And you'll notice the background changes. You can also paint your own backdrop here, which allows you to use these different tools, the paintbrush, so forth, in order to create your background of choosing. You can upload a file from the web, so you could find a picture or image you like and upload it there, or you could take a picture using the camera on your device. Another piece you'll see right here in the middle, this is Scratchy Cat. He's the main sprite we call in Scratch. He's our character. If I didn't want Scratchy Cat, I could delete him. And I could come in here, and here's where I would choose a new character. So here are my different categories here that I could choose from. I could choose, let's say, a balloon. Now the same options here. I can paint a new sprite, I can upload one from online, or I can take a picture. For the sake of this project, I'm just going to click a new one. And you'll notice I can have multiple sprites in this screen down here. And whichever sprite I am clicked on, the code that is drug out to the side applies to that. So you'll notice right now I'm making my balloon move 10 steps, but my banana has no code on it. So nothing here is going to happen for my banana. A couple other buttons that are key are this growing and shrinking button. The growing will make my sprite bigger, and then of course the shrinking will make my sprite smaller.